Gonna be unboxing the Panasonic KXL-DN745A quad speed CD-ROM drive. It also doubles as a sound card. I got this the other day on Monday. Well, yesterday. Today's Tuesday. So I'm gonna find an unboxing vid. Unbox this thing. I just had to find something to cut the dang thing open with. Let's see here. I have my plastic tool. That's probably not going to do squat here. But I don't know. I have to put this thing over because I have my personal information on my address. It also has a bit of paper. Well, there is some bubble wrap. I wish they would actually wrap the damn thing in bubble wrap. And that's the other way around. You guys were right. So here's a CD-ROM drive. The KXL-DN745A. On the top right there, you have the stereo speakers. It's a multimedia quad speed CD-ROM sound player. It can be utilized in either the car. You have batteries. That's all in Japanese, and I wish I could read that. I guess this. That's the SCSI identification number. You actually have to look on the manual or look online to find the exact manual for it in English. Here's the power brick. It's 100 volts, which is a little bit under power because it's imported from Japan, but it's sold here in the United States. Good old USA. I'm sorry, good old USA. Let's have the box over there. So over here you have the interface card. This is what it looks like. It's on CD-ROM interface card. It's a PCMCIA 2.1 standard or /JEIDA 4.2 standard. I believe that's the Japanese term for their proprietary connection, but I digress. Unfortunately, I need to find the exact power brick for this thing because I don't want to damage this thing using the 100 volt thing. But if I had like a converter adapter, I'd be happy to use that. Here's the installation disc. We got DOS, PC98 drivers, Windows 3.1 drivers, Windows 95 drivers, all in 1.44 megabyte diskette. I believe this means that the disk is write protected, meaning that you can't format it accidentally. So I'm going to go archive this. I'm going to scan the manual, even though it's in Japanese. Wish I had this thing. I wish I had English on this thing. Anyway, it's all Japanese. Jeez. Holy crap. Yeah, all of it's in Japanese, so this is a Japanese imported drive. But you don't mind having a Japanese import or anything as long as it's not from Russia. God knows why I don't like Russia. Anyway, that's all the pieces here. Like I said, I'm going to archive this, translate this to English as well. Let me flip it around so the appropriate one. Like I said, it's a 100-volt power brick. I don't want to damage it. That's 120 volts unit, between 110 and 120 volts United States. Japan used like 100 volts. And then this I have to figure out everything here in English. Figure out which one's got the ID one. There's a little bit of English on here, but the rest of it is just in Spanish, in Japanese. Excuse me. So anyway, you got the audio jacks right here for headphones, microphone, and line in. You also have the power button, the battery compartment, which I believe takes about, I was right, 6 AA batteries, 1.5 volt equivalents, or higher, if you use the nickel metal hydrides. Anyway, this is what the unit looks like. It's actually not in bad condition. It's actually in pretty good shape for its age. A little bit of scuffs here and there. The display thing actually doesn't look that bad. It's a little dusty, but it's pretty good. Then you have the lock mechanism. I gotta go lubricate the eject mechanism. Here, that's probably just like the manual. Pull up and push down. I don't mind it. As long as it works, I'm happy. And in the back, you have the SCSI connector right there, where to hook up the sound. And that's the DC, and that's the 5 volts. The positive polarity is right there. I could probably get away with 12 volt power supply for this thing. For 110 volt power, 110, 120 volt, United States thing. But I can just probably put batteries in this thing and make it more portable. This will work nicely with my NEC Versa M75 laptop that has a crappy sound card, Windows sound source. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm going to post pictures online about this thing.